I want to see if they did anything different on this saw. Here we are once again, and we are doing a tool review. Here's my miter saw. I love this thing, but I've had so many different issues with it. The first problem that I had with it was I can never get it on 0. Like, it was always just 1 degree off. Every time I tried to get it square, I put a speed square on there to make sure that it was cutting straight. Where straight was like 1 degree over, and then I would just kind of like lock it down type situation. I didn't complain about it. I understand this is not really, honestly, the best precision tool. The second issue was I lost my screw right here, and I don't know how, but the screw just disappeared. Back here, this plate back here behind the saw, let me try to show you this. This plate back here, if you can see that there, I mean, it was just going to on me. The main problem was, and I sent this thing to Milwaukee twice. They have a 5-year warranty on all their tools, but my trigger, my light right here and the trigger wasn't working. So I reached out to Milwaukee and said, hey, this saw is 6 years old. It's out of warranty, but I've sent it to you guys twice to fix this trigger. I can deal with it not cutting straight. I can deal with the loose screws back here. I put a little door screw right here. I was just like, man, when it rises up and down like this right here, I just have a screw set in there just to make sure it does what it's supposed to do, but it's really not secure like it should be. So every once in a while, this would fall off and I would have to reattach it. So me and this saw have gone through lots of challenges, okay? We've gone through some things, made a lot of great cuts with this saw, but when I reached out to Milwaukee and said, out of warranty, I sent it to you twice, you tried to fix it, now it's 6 years old, outside of your warranty, is there anything you can do? She was nice enough to say, you know what, just send us back that saw that you have, that's all broken up, and
we're going to send you out a new saw.
So here's what I'm about to do, this unboxing. I got my multi-tool here, my Leatherman, my trusty little Leatherman, and let's get this guy opened up. What's going to come in this box? And they gave me a new blade, which is, I feel like it's a wood blade. I think it might be like an all-purpose fine finish. I don't know if this cuts metal or not. Typically I'm cutting aluminum or metal, but I got a blade here. I got my little handle to lock stuff down as I'm cutting. Finally, I have a new bag. Like, I promise I won't lose this one. For some reason, I just can't keep up with the little bag that comes with it. And we have the star of the show. We have the saw. One of the reasons why I wanted to do this review with you guys of the saw here is because I want to see if they did anything different on this saw, which is 6 years younger than that saw, to see if it has any type of upgrades to it, I guess, in regards to making sure that I don't have some of the issues that I've had in the past with my miter saw. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the screw right here on the top as well that holds the dust that comes out the bag, that screw went missing as well. As I'm looking at the two of them, and the big question is, will it be square? I don't know if it can get really square, but it looks really good. It looks like a brand new saw, right? And I am so excited about that. The plate's the same. Looks like just about everything's the same. I'm excited about this, man. My little guard right here, the screw is on there. I don't have to fight with that anymore. Milwaukee is awesome. I absolutely brag on Milwaukee. I talk about how I'm just a big fanboy of Milwaukee for the simple fact that they do stuff like that. They keep us busy, and we need reliable tools that are going to be good for the job. And I had the 12-inch saw at one point in time, and it was just too much saw for me. Like, that bad boy was heavy. So 7 1/4 just really works for me. I really feel like this is all I need for what I do. Hopefully you guys will see this guy in the field here real soon. And since we're here, let me talk about the SK Pro boots, man. SK Pro had sent me out 2 pair of boots. Here's one pair right here. They're both steel toe. Here's a more stylish pair for the office, and they're also steel toe. These are the foreman boots. These are the work boots, right? So they sent me out these boots. I was like, honestly, I don't really feel like these boots are a good fit for me. So that's where I mentioned to them that I really wasn't that interested in doing a full review. But I did want to shout them out. I did want to show them on camera. Thank you, SK Pro, for sending me out these boots. You guys are awesome. And I love those pants. I can't get enough of those pants.